2 hoodies inside. It's cold as fuck. It look cold, don't it? Don't it look cold outside? Yes, it is. I'm gonna go get the kids some donuts. What are we wearing today? I don't know. Yes, I'm cold. It's so cute. It's like a rabbit tail. I love it. I didn't love it, honestly, at first. But the goal is to cherish and value and love everything that is mine. Everything.
Fair.
This is giving Big Mama on a donut run. Because that's what the fuck going on. Glasses so we can see the bullshit. Let's go get some donuts, bitch. Hi, all.
How's your day?
I'm just going to get the donuts.
I mean,
Like, thank you.
How's your day out here?
Thank you. Why does your forehead smell like that?
Smell like what?
What's your hand smell like? Does your hand smell good? That does not smell good. What have you been touching?
Oh, wash my face.
You should wash your hands and your face. Baby girl, shake that ass in the club with your homegirl. We are back from the donuts. Where am I looking? We're gonna start off with this conditioner that I got from the corner store. I love me a little beauty supply find for cheap. This was, I think like $2.99. It's the Hollywood Beauty Olive Deep Conditioner and Cholesterol Treatment. Because I don't have enough cholesterol in my body. I'm just kidding, I don't have high cholesterol. And I need to stop playing like that. Oh, it smells so good. It looks like matcha. I love matcha. So I don't think matcha's gross, but this looks gross. It was on sale. Mindful. Okay. But we're gonna put this all over. I don't care if they tell me to wash my hair first. This is my life. And we're gonna have to take these off. Yeah. And we're literally just gonna go piece by piece, as fast as we can, because I only have 12 minutes of memory left. Ha ha ha. Alright, Dunkaroo. It's hard to describe the texture. It's like mayonnaise, but like mixed with Jello. Make sure you get them edges, honey. Don't forget them, because when they're gone,
Don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you got, so let's go.
15 minutes. I'm gonna wash it out with shampoo and conditioner, which might defeat the purpose, but whatever. Now that I'm thinking about it, it does make sense that I wash my hair first. But I don't care. And that is what matters most. I should wash my hair first. Oh well. Protect it first. And this is what I use. In this, completely saturated and detangled. Completely saturated. I don't know. It's just something that it just feels like I'm doing the most in a good way. I'm borrowing this from my daughter, even though I bought it for her. They be having the nicest shit and just be running my stuff to the ground. Y'all, never have I ever blow dried my hair and it's this straight. Like, girl, keep it a stack. Bitches move out, but they know I got bands. I've been getting money, they know who I am. gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I can't. You can see it. And this is no flat iron. Y'all, I am stoked. I love you just the way you are. But shawty, we gonna see. Oh, like who mama is that? It really is. This last section. I promise y'all, like no flat iron yet. Oh my god. Well, there's a couple of spaces that are still like curly. I don't know if I'm showing it properly. Here, it's still a little, got some texture. I'm gonna try and hit that real quick. God damn, this shit is bouncing. I don't really know how to do it right now. I don't know how to do it. Cause we taking over. One forehead at a time. Oh, it really don't faze me none. Keep this shit up. Dina, Bina. Ain't no other bitch out there that's cleaner. Grab your backpack, let's go. Get in my van, kids. Vamonos, or we gon' be late. Hey. Do-do-dina. I love it. It loves me back. I love it so much, and it loves me back. I love it so much, and it loves me back. Back. Look at this bitch, goddamn. Makes me wanna fucking tap dance and yodel at the same fucking time. This large chunk that I cut. I thought it was damaged, okay? I thought it was damaged. And I really mucked that up. Y'all, I am just discovering some new shit about myself. Like I said I wanted to. Yellow. I think it looks good. Yeah, I think it looks great actually. I said, damn, you look good. She said, no, I look great.